Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Won't you climb up to patch me, please? The roof's request is a desperate wheeze. Ignore the summons, my elements wail. I have no time for extended debate. A hot cup of tea and I'm ready for work, but the front door is stuck. Though I pull and jerk, help, please help. The door joins the please. Back door, which opens with ease. But as I attempt to drive off in my car, the deafening demands. They follow me far, don't ting. I deserve attention from you? Just a couple of nails, a hammer, a screw, hurry away. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.